Welcome back everyone. Time to do another little tutorial, I guess. I totally forgot what the video was about, on how to fix your microphone on any iPhone. Now it really just depends on what specific thing you're noticing where your microphone is not working. So first of all, if you're in the middle of a phone call and the microphone is just not working, or you for some reason are in a FaceTime call and for some reason the microphone randomly stops working, well honestly this happens to me all the time. Sometimes you may actually just be covering the specific microphone on your iPhone. Now, for some reason on the iPhone 12, the microphone is actually towards the bottom of your phone. So if you're actually holding your phone something like this, for example, you can actually be covering the microphone up, which you may not even realize. So if you just typically hold your phone like this and it sounds miraculously better, then most probably you're just holding your phone wrong, as Apple used to say, and that will probably end up fixing the issue for you. So that's the very first thing I would recommend doing. But if you're in the middle of an app or you're trying to talk to somebody on Instagram or Snapchat or something, and you're saying you're getting a pop-up that says microphone is unavailable or trust the microphone in the settings app, well, this is a really easy thing to fix as well. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up your settings app. And once you're in your settings app, you want to scroll all the way down until you find and locate your apps. So as you can see towards the bottom, I can see a bunch of apps that I have right here. Now let's just say, for example, Among Us, right? They need to access my microphone. Well, that's a horrible example. Let's just go ahead and use Instagram for an example. We can go ahead and open up Instagram and we'll see a bunch of little options that we have here, but we have one called microphone. So what you want to do is you want to locate that specific app that you're trying to fix. You want to go onto microphone and you want to enable that microphone option. Now what will happen here basically is that app will now have access to your microphone. So you can now just use the phone however you want to and use that app however you want to, and the microphone will end up working. So that's the other option that you have. Now if that doesn't work either, then what I would recommend you doing is actually going into the bottom of your phone and actually getting like a Q-tip or something and cleaning out the microphone ports throughout your phone. You have a couple down here. Sometimes you do have one up top on some phones, and you also have one back here now on the new iPhones. So I'd recommend you going through and trying to go and clean out all the ports and all the little holes throughout your phone, and then from there see if the microphone works. If it does work, then you're set. If it still doesn't work, or if you're running into more issues, then most probably it is a hardware issue and you'll probably have to get it fixed from Apple. So that really pretty much covers it up. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.